Hey there, so you're using ClickFunnels to build out your sales funnel. That's awesome. You're in great company. But let me ask you this question. Are you getting the most out of all of that funnel data? Like, can you see exactly where people are dropping off? Or which channels are bringing in your most profitable customers? If you want to take your ClickFunnels data to the next level, stick around. Today, I'm going to show you how connecting ClickFunnels to SegMetrics turns your data into incredibly powerful, actionable insights. ClickFunnels is seriously one of the best tools out there for building high-converting sales funnels. Whether you're capturing leads, selling products, or running a webinar funnel, they make it super easy to get pages up and running fast. The ClickFunnels team have built something seriously special. And that's why so many marketers and entrepreneurs rely on it every single day. And ClickFunnels gives you solid data too. Opt-in rates, sales numbers, funnel stats. It's all there and super helpful. But when you pair ClickFunnels with SegMetrics, that's when your data becomes truly powerful. Suddenly, you're not just seeing the top of the funnel, you're seeing the full customer journey. Like which traffic sources brought people in, how long did it take them to buy, what's their lifetime value, and how do different segments perform across your entire marketing ecosystem. That's the level of insight that lets you scale confidently. ClickFunnels builds incredible funnels. SegMetrics shows you how to optimize them for maximum profit. It's a perfect match. All right, let me show you how powerful this combination really is. Connecting ClickFunnels to SegMetrics is quick and painless. Just head to your integrations page, click on ClickFunnels. If ClickFunnels is your primary email marketing platform, go ahead and toggle the setting. Then click to connect. If you're not already logged into ClickFunnels, the integration will ask you to do so. Once connected, SegMetrics automatically starts pulling in all your contacts, tags, purchases, subscriptions. Everything just syncs seamlessly in the background. Now here's where things get really exciting. SegMetrics takes all that great ClickFunnels data and supercharges it with deep, full funnel analytics. Whether you're trying to scale your list, boost conversion rates, eliminate bottlenecks, or maximize revenue, this combination gives you crystal clear answers about where to focus your efforts. Let me show you some game-changing ways to use it. First, let's see where your funnel traffic is really coming from. Jump over to the acquisition dashboard and you can see which marketing channels are feeding people into your ClickFunnels. Paid ads, organic, social, referrals, all of it. But here's what makes this so powerful. SegMetrics doesn't just count visitors, it shows you which channels bring in customers who actually buy and stick around. That's the data that matters. Now let's use SegMetrics segmentation power. You can slice your ClickFunnels data any way you want, by tags, funnel IDs, products purchases, whatever you're tracking. Want to compare how different funnels are performing side by side? Simply add a filter to segment your ClickFunnels data by tag or funnel ID. Here we can see that funnel A is the clear winner at around $147K in revenue, over funnel B, which has pulled in about $20K in revenue. That's a clear sign that you should double down on funnel A and look into how you can improve funnel B to maximize profits. You can even see exactly which channels are bringing in the most customers through your funnels. Here you can see your paid ads channels are driving the bulk of that revenue. AI search is also bringing in a good chunk of revenue. With just a few clicks, you know exactly which funnels and channels are driving your most profitable customers. Here's where it gets really cool. Visualizing your complete funnel flow. You can build custom funnel reports that show you exactly where people are moving forward and where they're bailing out. Remember in the last example where we saw funnel A is beating funnel B by a landslide? With the custom funnel report, you can see exactly where your leads are falling off. Let's say you've got a webinar registration funnel, and from there you want to track the rest of the funnel from attendees to those that start a paid subscription for your services. By using tags and other ClickFunnels data, you can customize each of the funnel steps to the exact specifications of your funnel. Here we can see that of around the 1,800 people that start down the funnel, only about 11% of those people register for the webinar. From there, only about 13% of those registrants turn into attendees. However, we have around 40% of attendees who follow through with starting a paid subscription. This tells us that if we can get people to attend, you have a pretty good conversion rate. But the glaring hole in this funnel is not getting enough people to register for the webinar. Whether that's improving the webinar offering or refining your target audience, you now know exactly where people are falling off and where they're sticking. Once you've got customers subscribed to your paid subscriptions, SegMetrics can help you monitor vital subscription metrics. Just head on over to the subscriptions dashboard. There, you'll see metrics like monthly recurring revenue, total active subscriptions, new subscriptions added in the time frame, churn rates, and more. If If you have a trial included in your subscription, SegMetrics can tell you your trial conversion rates so you know exactly how many of your trials are turning into real paying subscribers. One metric you'll love is the time until cancel. This metric tells you on average how long your paying subscribers stick with you before canceling. Beyond the top-line subscription data, below you'll see exactly which channels brought in the most subscribers. Here we can see your paid ads are bringing in the most MRR and a fairly low churn rate compared to the other channels. We can also see a breakdown of the different subscription plans. Here we can see VIP Community Subscription has the most MRR, but with fewer subscribers. This tells you that even though that subscription plan might be higher in price, you have less churn and a better stick rate. Now you know exactly which subscription plans are adding value for your customers and which aren't. ClickFunnels builds incredible funnels. That's what it does best. SegMetrics shows you how to make those funnels even more profitable. Together, you've got an unbeatable combo for scaling your business. Well, that wraps things up. We got lots more videos on the channel and new episodes coming to help you optimize your marketing with SegMetrics. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.